In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add employees to Payrun in Xero. We'll start right from the payroll area in Xero. From your main dashboard, open the payroll menu. This is your hub for everything related to wages, leave, and pay runs. Next, go to Pay Employees. This takes you to the screen where all current and past pay runs live, and where you'll create a new one. To begin a new cycle, select Add Pay Run. Think of this as opening a fresh payroll for the period you're about to process. You'll be asked to select a pay period. Choose the period that matches your payroll calendar, making sure the dates align with the work you're paying for. For example, if you pay weekly, choose the weekly calendar. Double check the start and end dates shown so the correct timesheets and earnings are included. When you're happy with the selection, click Next to build the run. Now it's time to add the people and verify their details. Select the employee you want to include. Review their hours and pay rate carefully. If they're hourly, confirm ordinary hours, overtime, or any approved leave. If they're salaried son, make sure the salary amount looks right for the period. This is also the best moment to ensure any allowances, deductions, or reimbursements you already use are showing correctly. If you rely on timesheets, make sure that they're approved before you finalize the run so everything pulls through accurately. Click Save to capture your changes. Saving regularly is a good habit, especially if you're reviewing multiple employees, because it prevents you from losing work if you navigate away. Once you've checked each person's hours, rates, and totals, you're ready to finalize. Click Post Pay Run. Xero will prompt you to confirm because posting locks in the figures for that period and updates your payroll reports and balances. Click Post Pay Run again to confirm and complete the posting. With the run posted, you can deliver payslips. Click Email Payslips. This prepares the emails to go to the addresses stored on each employee's profile. It's a good idea to confirm employees have valid email addresses and the correct contact preferences before sending. When you're ready, click Email Payslips again to send them out. If needed, you can always come back later to resend or download PDF copies for your records. And that's it. You opened Payroll, chose Pay Employees, created a new run, selected the pay period, reviewed employees with their hours and rates, saved, posted the run, and emailed payslips. Follow these steps each cycle to keep your payroll accurate, timely, and compliant.